Hi guys, welcome to my channel RAIHAN'S Photo Work. It's my new video about the car on a photo manipulation. I'll click to file, then I'll click to new. I will name it to car on a photo. Okay, then in the color mode I'll select RGB and in the background I'll select white. Now we get a white canvas, or you can say a white page. Now I will select this tool and I'll go for gradient. I'll select the black and white. Now I will go to this picture, I'll double click to its background layer, and with the move tool I will move it to that canvas. Okay, now I will select the pen tool. I will make points at the corners of this picture, and I will make a path. Then I'll go to the brush tool. I will adjust its size. I will select the white color. I'll go again to the pen tool. I will right click and I'll go to stroke. I'll select brush and click OK. Now I'll right click and delete the path. See, now this looks like a real photo, really printed photo. Okay, now I'll go to the edit, and in the transform sector I will go for wrap. Okay, the wrap tool is a very interesting tool in Photoshop. It's very easy but effective. You can do any type of change in a photo by the wrap tool. Okay, you can change its perspective, its shape, its size, etc. Okay, see how with the handles and with the boxes I am changing the photo's shape, and I'm making it like a really printed photo in a curved shape kept on a table or something else. Okay, now I think it's good. Then I'll go to this picture, I'll go to the quick selection tool and I'll select the car. Selecting only the car is very important. You have to select rightly. But if there is some extra areas, not to worry, we can erase them later. It's very easy, but it's very important to select the car only. Now I'll go to the move tool and I'll move it to that canvas. I'll increase its size. Okay, now I'll zoom to it. See, there are some extra areas. I'll go to the eraser tool and I'll erase the extra areas that I don't want. Okay. Okay, then I'll go to the brush tool. I will decrease its opacity and its flow. Okay. Then I'll go for the size of the brush tool and I'll select the black color. I am doing this for making a shadow under the car. Okay, it's very important to have a shadow. If it has not a shadow, it will not be like a real photo. Okay, we have to make it realistic. It's very easy to draw a shadow under something. I decreased the opacity because opacity means something's density. So while I am drawing the shadow, under the shadow the road must be seen. Okay, that's why I have decreased the opacity of the brush tool. You have to make the shadow carefully. Okay, it must be real. It must be like real. Okay. Okay, as you can see at the back side of the car, the shadow is darker. It shouldn't be happen. Okay, so I'll zoom and I'll decrease the opacity of the eraser tool, and I will make this shadow lighter because it is darker. Okay, darker than the other parts, so I have to make it lighter. I will use the erase tool to make the shadow realistic. Okay, I think it's better now. Then I'll go to the blur tool. I will use the blur tool to make the photo smoother. Okay, it's important to make the photo smooth. The areas in which the shadow and the car and the road has been placed should be smooth. Okay, okay, then I'll zoom out. Then I'll go to the filter, I'll go to render, and I'll select lens flare. I will add a lens flare to it. See, after the lens flare, it's looking really natural. Okay, it's looking good. Then I'll go to the crop and I'll crop it into 16:9 ratio. Okay, now the photo really looks good. See, it looks very natural. Okay guys, the video ends here. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, like and share the video.